Welcome to this tutorial on how to set and remove a password for your Microsoft Word files. Protecting your document with a password is a simple yet effective way to ensure that your sensitive information remains secure. In this video will guide you through the easy steps to add a password to your Microsoft Word document, preventing unauthorized access. We will also show you how to remove the password when it's no longer needed. Whether you are using Word for personal or professional purposes, these steps will help you keep your data safe and accessible only to those you trust. So let's get started. So I have opened MS Word. Go to a random blank document. Now for the blank document, I want to put some paragraphs and sentences. Now I will put some random paragraph. For the random paragraph, we have a formula lorem. And inside the braces P, comma, S. Now P stands for the paragraph and S stands for the sentence. So I will go with some 10 paragraph and having some 20 sentences. Enter it. Now is having some 10 paragraph and each of them having 20 sentences. So now I want to save it and put a password on it. So go to Save As. Browse. Now, desktop. So, lorem, for example, random, paragraph. So, this is the file name I am saving it. So, for making a password on it, general options. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a password. 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay. Re-enter the password to open it to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the password is set. Now save it. And now I want to close it so that I should know that it is, okay, and go to a new one and close this one. Okay. Close this one. Now, I want to open the same, that file that I have put a password on it. So open. The file name was random paragraph 1. So now it's, it wants the password for, us. For example, I want to put a wrong password. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So click OK. Now it says the password is incorrect. Word cannot open the document. Okay, so again go to the file. Click open. Random paragraph. Now I will write the same password I previously put on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now OK. Re-enter the password to modify it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that the Word file that I put a password on it is now opened, and here's the password. Similarly, now you can remove the password. For this, you can go to Save As, Desktop, and now again go to Tools and General Options. Now you can remove this password. Okay. You can remove it from here, and if you want to modify the password or enter another password, so you can write it here. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which will be our new password. So I want to remove the password. Click OK. Now save it. Now this file is not having any password. For confirming it, I will go to a new file. I will remove this, close this file. Now, I will open the same file which I have removed the password from, random paragraph 1. So, this file is not having a password. Okay. So, like this, you can add or remove a password from your Word file. Thank you for watching and keep watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like and share it. Thank you so much.